Alright, we're washing all these parts. We're gonna hose them down, clean them up, see how it goes. We got Martin in the front seat.
Hello.
We got Chris in the other front seat.
We're gonna get your car ready before my car.
Yes, sir. Oh, we good.
Oh, hell no. You're taking out. Give me the damn camera.
Huh?
Yeah, give me, yep, there you go.
My hands are getting dirty.
Alright, Nack, so.
Nack's finally working on his own car.
So what are we doing? Brand new.
Yo,
You're
finally learning to
Brand new, baby.
Travis Scott.
Oh, that boy to work.
It's getting in my mouth.
I apologize.
So all the parts are clean now? Way cleaner than it was before. Look at that beauty. Thanks, Martin.
I'm wet.
Thanks, Christopher.
It's not exactly crisp spec, but you know, it'll do.
While Martin's cleaning up the parts, we're gonna go to the store and get some paint. Look at Chris's car.
Paint. Paint. Yeah, we'll be back.
Oh, God.
Primer and some Scotch pads. I'm gonna go with some VHT roll bar and chassis paint, just so that way, you know, try to make sure that everything's gonna be like, it's gonna handle everything. You know, we're not going for anything perfect, anything pretty, but just make it look OEM. Got our paint, the other guy got his paint, and then that guy cut the whole fucking line and got his for us.
You know there's a self-checkout on that AutoZone?
Is there?
Yeah. You guys could have just walked up to it.
But we're buying paint.
Yeah.
Doesn't it require like an ID or some shit?
Go over there and tell you.
I'm so annoyed.
Alright, Martin, what are we doing?
Alright, these are the knuckle reinforcement brackets.
Yeah.
So what we're doing right now, we're going to be cleaning up all the surfaces for the reinforcement plates. Get this going in it. And get it going. Watch this.
Hey,
Chris, what type of jerry rig, 2-second brick ass?
Hey,
Polo, bro.
You got the whole clothesline.
Hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right?
What are we doing? How do you rate this trait?
It's very creative.
It works. Hey, it works. It works.
Yep.
I don't like the fact that we're painting in like the wind, but
I like that we're doing that at Martin's house.
I know.
Yup. Look at that elegant strokes, mate. I made this looking real good, looking like one color.
Then we're gonna wait a little bit, and then we're gonna paint it silver.
Yup.
Sheesh. Cherry.
Shake weight.
Nack, you're gonna get overspray on your legs.
That's what I said.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
I see it on it right now, Lil Keith.
Ooh.
I think that's good.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
What are you doing, Martin?
Okay. This is the GK Tech
Anti-squat.
It's anti-squat reduction, if I'm correct.
You don't even know what he's
Okay. Alright.
You don't even know.
Don't even know.
Ready.
Look at the receipt.
All right, so this is the anti-squat reduction kit.
Speak with your chest.
For GK, shut the for GK Tech, all right? From GK Tech. Anyways, so the problem with S13 subframes is when the car squats, instead of going like this, it goes like this, right? It goes like that, right? And the problem with that is you're losing grip the more that it squats. So this kit relocates the front of the lower control arm to squat when you squat. You know, it squats better.
Just hit that. While Chris is driving away. Ooh, would you look at that? The man Dan. S14 and a half. What's up, Dan? Hi. How you doing?
Hola, buenas noches. Hasta ahí, Martyn.
Martyn,
The
weld.
safety squints.
Oh. Man, look at those dimes. Good on you, kid. What do you think, Dan? What do you think about these welds?
I like them.
You like them? Man, they look good. Keep on keeping on, sir. You need a tan though, my boy. You got that farmer tan.
Leave me alone, bro. I'm doing this all the time.
Hey, he's a hard-working young man. Very good, very nice, sir.
Okay. How much do you think you're worth an hour?
About 197.
197?
$1.97.
Oh, $1.97?
That's about right.
Well, given these welds, I think you're more than that. Wow.
Not too
Spicy.
shabby, Nack.
Not too shabby. Looks good. Looks good.
If this motherfucker don't line up, I'm gonna make that line up. I don't give a f.
We love frustrated Martin.
It's been an eternity. Your S13's a fucking piece of shit.
I hate this car, bro.
No, that's 13
terrible.
problems. Really love it.
Really f***ing terrible. This is exactly why you don't buy a f***ing S13. You know why? Because look, you see that car right there? You don't gotta do this stupid shit.
You know what? No.
It comes free from the factory.
The real problem. Well, the real answer to this problem is just don't buy an S
3
chassis.
steps: lighter, gasoline, and Geico.
Do not buy an S chassis. They're not worth it.
Do not buy an S chassis. Definitely not worth it.
Go buy.
They're good looking cars. Not worth it.
Go buy an E36 or something. It's better bang for the buck. It is so annoying. buddy, it's okay. It's okay. I give you a hug. Maybe a little kiss on the cheek.
And your dick suck. You keep talking about it.
We got some pizza. If you haven't had markers, this shit's gas.
I looked right at the light.
Martin welded some reinforcement plates to the rear knuckles. We're about to do the other one, but we got all the subframe in order.
You better give him some good sloppy after this.
That's good. So we reinforced the plates on the rear subframe. Thanks, Martin.
Wow, you
Good job.
the good welds.
I'm proud of you.
It's okay.
No habla inglés. Money.
Pesos?
No.
Here's pesos right here. Right there.
Oh, man.
We're gonna Scotch Brite the frame. Primer. Paint. Let's get it. Damn, son. Ah, damn, Martin, look at them guns.
Look at them.
Hit it. Yeah. Woo!
A little
worry about the marks, all right? We don't have a press.
It's getting painted. It's getting painted.
It's exactly what we needed to do.
We're good. We're chilling. So Martin's grinding down the rear knuckles so the rear caliper for the hydro can fit on there. I like to do that. And then Chris is over here masking, low control run, and I'm shoving. But we got the rear subframe primered. We're gonna paint it. Things are coming along, man. Things are coming along. So here's the B knuckle. We ordered some for Naoki. Martin got a pair. The other homie got a pair. But I didn't get a pair because Naoki sent 3 S14 knuckles. And I have an S13 knuckle. So Martin, what are we doing?
Well, you know, desperate times call for desperate measures. We have a stock knuckle here. And then we have an angle grinder. So,
We're gonna cut our knuckles ourselves. Let's see how this goes. What piece goes to which knuckle? That piece?
what the
Who cares? We're just drill the hole through here and just send it.
Alright, sounds good.
Cut the knuckle. Now we weld the knuckle.
From here, I put
To
it here.
We about to throw some backies, baby. Well, how we looking like?
Good.
We're looking
Got
like
3 passes on every single one.
You're looking like we make the knuckles from now on.
Bitch ain't going nowhere. We're gonna make a jig off of this. Start selling this. Is gonna be the N knuckle. Okay.
N.
Or. All right. Hear me out. Comments below. You know, let us know what you think. N and M knuckle, the M knuckle, or the N knuckle.
The f am I to you then? I literally helped
All right.
grind
My
that.
bad. The CNM knuckle. All right. That's the last one.
Open this dick. Hasn't been open in like 20 years.
20 in my ass.
Somebody welded this like f***ing 5 years ago.
Oh, I thought you welded it, to be honest.
No, unfortunately. It wouldn't be leaking if I welded it.
We look like such
Watch
idiots.
out.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got it.
Oh.
What did I do? I'm just...
Ooh la la.
I popped it off first.
No, you didn't.
Let me just.
Oh, he's getting a good
Oh
one.
my god, it is not supposed to be that. This is some f***ing Lucas oil stabilizer right here. What the fuck? Oh.
Good pink, nice.
Oh.
Look at that. It is not supposed to be that thick, bro. It hasn't been changed in 10 years. Oh my, look at it coming out. Look how glittery it is. That is terrible.
Hey Chris, I need a little help here, guy.
You got it?
Nah, this about to fall through my hands.
Oh, I'm trying to find the light. Where'd I put my light?
Chris, help him. Help him.
Readjust yourself.
Oh.
Yeah, shine some light in that.
Oh my, look at
Oh, yeah.
you guys can't see it in the camera, but there is a ton of glitter in there. Like, look how slow it's draining. Oil drains f***ing quicker.
Come on. I mean, granted, it's probably 70-90, but it's fine.
Are you good?
No.
Yeah, cuzzo. Get it all out.
Alright, you can stop recording now.
Something like 450 to 5, I said? Yeah. This goo that came out.
Lay it in there, bro.
Infection.
Have a blue waffle type.
Oh god.
Oh no.
That's a different breeze.
I like cuz. Smoke that fuck. Play some Wiz Khalifa, bro. What the fuck, cuz?
Oh, hey, don't get the PJs.
All day.
All fucking day.
All day.
All so that he can make it to the next Drift event.
All day.
From 11 o'clock.
No. We showed up at 11.
Yeah, we were here at 11.
He showed up
He
at
showed
12.
up at about 12.
All day.
And he told me, oh, we're gonna do this at 8 a.m.
We washed all knuckles, LCAs,
Subframe.
the whole 9, and we painted it.
And the diff.
And the diff too. Diff was disgusting.
Yep.
But we got it done. So now we just gotta put all this back together.
Oh, so I didn't weld it or anything like
Oh
that.
yeah. Okay.
I didn't help prep.
So Martin cut my knuckles, and I guess he made the M knuckles.
And then what did I do to the subframe?
Oh, reinforce the subframe.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Need some respect on my name.
I didn't help prep and sand shit and
Yeah. Chris did that too.
Chris was our certified prep guy today.
Yep. But everything looks good. Everything looks really good.
the nice fade doesn't look too bad.
Yeah. I guess we're gonna put all these parts back in my car. And we'll see you guys in the next one.